What's up, you guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to another week of remote learning. We're going to jump right on in on page, we're going towards the back of the book. We're at page 37 in the back. A lot of this section works on exercises with our scales. Now, we've done a lot of those already. We've spent a lot of time working on major scales. Well, the one thing that this book introduced was our minor scales. So we're going to jump to the section that's working just on the minor scales. And that is at number 179, okay? We're looking at the concert G minor. G is in girl. And you'll see that in 179, the first one that it does is our natural minor scale, okay? Then that's for 3 measures. Then the next 3 measures is our harmonic minor scale. Now remember, harmonic, the only difference between that and natural minor is the 7th scale degree is raised by a half step. And you can see that, that there's that one note that has a sharp next to it. Okay, that's our 7th scale degree. Okay, so for 179, we'll go up and down for the natural minor, and then it goes straight into a harmonic minor. Harmonic. Okay. Now in 180, we're just doing more exercises that are based off of these minor scales. You can take a peek just from looking at the overall piece of 180. You can tell which minor scale we're using, whether it be natural or harmonic. If you notice the accents, or not the accents, the accidentals, and that accidental is a raised 7th scale degree, so we are using the harmonic minor scale. Okay, so this exercise, again, it changes up where we do jump around a little bit. The other thing is we're slurring versus tonguing, so making sure that we're slurring when we're supposed to and tonguing when we're supposed to, okay? Now, whenever the accidental is used, make sure that you're making sure it lasts for the entirety of the measure. For example, in measure 3, we have that raised 7th scale degree on beat 2, but that note is also raised by a half step on the and of 3 in that same measure. Okay? All right. We're going to do just one more of these minor scales. We're going to look at number 181, concert C minor. The other minor scales that are in our book that we just that we kind of skipped, or the ones that we're not going to get to today, is concert D minor, which is 183 and 184. Okay, and then there's even some practice with chromatic scales after that, which are also extremely important to do. Okay, but for right now, we're just going to look at concert G minor and now concert C minor. Again, same with G minor, we have the natural minor scale immediately followed by the harmonic minor scale, and then 182 is pretty much the exact same melody and rhythm exercise, except for instead of using the G minor scale, we're now using the C minor scale. Okay? Harmonic. Okay, and then 182 again is just like 180, where it's the same melody and rhythm. We've just changed up which minor scale that we're using. Okay, here we go. 182. it's good to do these kind of exercises, especially with the harmonic minor scale, because throwing in that accidental and doing these scale-like exercises, it's making our fingers and our mouths have to just do different transitions that we're usually not used to, which is good practice, because then when we get to tough stuff like what the clarinet saw in Star Wars with the Princess Leia theme, it makes stuff like that a little bit easier since our fingers and mouths are used to doing those weird transitions. Okay? Feel free to jump in on your own and do the one for D minor, as well as some of the chromatic scale stuff. As I know it's a little bit of a short video, but if you guys do have any questions or concerns, please let me know, and I will hopefully get back to you soon. Love you, miss you.